Welcome to class 5th. This is your maths class of chapter number 3. Chapter is large numbers. Already in previous videos we have finished this one, question number 1 of exercise 3rd A. But today now I am going to start question number 2. This is session 2 video. So look at the screen. Question number 2. What is given here? Write in expanded form. Okay. So as number are given, we have to write these number into expanded form, means long form. Okay. So first part it is given 39,635. So always when we are finding expanded form, then write expanded form from left to right only, and read the place of digit also. Here you can see 5 ones place, 3 tens, 6 100 place, 9 1000 place, 3 10,000 place. Here you can see 3 is given at 10,000 place. So place value of 3 what will be? It will be as 30,000, because 3 multiply 1000 what will be? 30,000. And in 1000 how many 0 are? 4 0. Okay. Then plus next 9 it is given 1000 place. So what will be place value of this? 9,000. And in 1000 how many 0? 3 0 will be. Plus next number is given 6 it is given at 100 place. So it can be written as 600. Plus next 3 is given at tens place. So 3 tens are equal to 30. Plus 5 it is given at ones place. So 5 ones are equal to 5 ones only. Okay. Similarly next part also it is given 2,72,098. So here from left side only we have to write this number. 2 is given at lakh place. So 2 can be written, it is 2 lakh. And in lakh how many 0? 50. Okay. So make here 50. Next 7 is given at which place? It is given 10,000. So 7 will be 70,000. And in 10,000 how many 0 will be? 4. So write here 70,000. Plus 2. Next number it is given 2 at 1000 place. So what will be? 2 into 1000, 2000 only. And in 1000 30. Next 0 is given at 100 place. So 0 into 100 0 only. Plus next is 9 tens place. So 9 tens are 90. 8 ones place. So 8 ones are 8 only. Okay. Similarly next question also it is given 49,53,432. So 4 is given at which place? 10 lakh. And so it will be as 40 lakh. 4 0 0 0. How many 0 will be? 6 0 will be. Okay. So make here 6 0. Next 4 after 9 it is given lakh place. So 9 after 50 means as 9 lakh. And 0 will be 5. Next 5 it is given 10,000. So it will be as 50,000. And 0 will be 4. As you can see, one by one 0 is decreasing here. Here are 6, here are 5, and here is 4. Next 3 it is given 1000 place, so it will be as 3000. 3 into 1000, 3000 only, plus 3 after 4 given at 100 place, so it will be as 400, plus 3 tens place, so 3 tens are 30, and 2 ones place, so 2 ones are equal to 2 ones are 2 only. Got it? Similarly, you can do next part also. It is given 7 crore 27 lakh 9613. Okay, and other part also you can do. Firstly, you check the place of digit and write in expanded from left to right only. Got it? Now let us see next question. What is given? It is given question number 3, write in figures. So we have to write these naming word into figure. As you can see here, place value chart also given. So let us see first part. What is given? It is 60,292. This naming word up to 1000 only. Okay. So here is given 60,000. It is coming in 1000 place, 1000 period. So here will be 60,000. Write in 1000 period. 200 at 100 place. What is given? 2. Okay. And 35. Tens place is 3, and ones place will be 5. Got it? Next to 4,55,000. Here you can see starting with lakh. So up to lakh only given. So here see lakh place it is given. So lakh here number what is given? 4. So write in this column 4. 4 lakh 1000 place number what is given? 55. So write here 55,000. 100 means 700. At 100 what is given? 7. So write at 100 place 7. And 49. Tens place 4, and ones place is 9. Okay. Similarly next also 72 lakh. Here you can see in lakh period it is coming 72. So here write 72. We have to write in lakh period only. Okay. So 72 lakh 83,000. In 1000 period what is coming? 83. So write in this block 83,000. 900. 100 place what is? 900. And 30. It is equal to 30. Tens place 3, and ones place will be 0. 30. Got it? Similarly next question also. 4 crore. Here you can see crore place digit what is given? 4. So here write 4 crore in place value chart. Okay. 60 lakh. So lakh period what is coming? 60 lakh. 90,000. 1000 period what is coming? 90. It can be written 90. Okay. 500. 100 what is given? 5. So here write 5. Tens place 88. Okay. So 88 it can be tens place 80, and ones place 8. Okay. So required naming word what will be? 4 crore 60 lakh 90,588. You got it? So student, as I done this part, similarly you will do last part also. Okay. It will be as your homework only. Next, this one part I will give you as homework. We will see next question number 4. It is given write in figure. Okay. Here also we have to write these naming word into figure only. So as you can see, a part it is given 500 and 61,000. Clearly you can see this one naming word given according to international system, and as you can see chart also given. This one ones period, thousand period, and this is million period, and next billion period. Okay, so it comes in international system only. Okay, so this naming word up to how much given? 61,000 only. So we go in second period, means thousand period. Okay, so as you can see 500, 100 place what is given? 500, and 61,000 what is given? 61,000. 1000 period what is given here? Number 61. So write here 561,000. It is equal to 561,000. Then after 100 times ones place not given, value not given, so here write 0 only. Okay, so required naming word what will be? 561,000 only. Similarly next 200,000. Here you can see up to 1000 it is coming 200, and place of coming 100 also. So at 100 what is coming? 200,000 only, because 10,000 and 1000 place not given, so it is only 900. 1000 after 900. This 100 place what is given? 978. Here 78. So 70, 7 tens are equal, and 8 at ones place. Okay, next 6,300,000. Here you can see it is coming million period. So at million what is coming? Only up to million only. So here write 6 million, because million place value it is coming 6 only. And 300,000. In thousand period what is coming? 300. So write in 100,000 300,000. So 1000 and 10,000 not given, so write here 0. Okay, 417. Next 100 number what is given? Value 417. So 17, 10, tens are equal, and 17. So what will be ones place? 7 only. Okay, next part also 45 million. Here is given 45 million. It is also coming in million period, but it is coming in 10 million. Okay, in 10 million here will be 4 and million 5. 45 million 200 and 1000. 200 and 1000. The next 709. 100 place value 709. It is given at ones place. Got it? So as I done this part, and I have written these naming word according to international system, similarly you will do last part, this one E part. I will give this one part as your homework only. Got it? So till for today this is enough only, students. Okay, and in next video session 3 I will start question number 5. It will be as tomorrow only, means in next video session 3 only. Okay, and I request to all do your homework in your homework notebook properly, and practice also question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 3rd A only. Okay, so now thank you students, have a nice day.